Hey guys, welcome back. So I wanted to come and show you what I did with the creams that I bought from Dollar Tree. And they are the hand creams. This is what they look like. They're really, really cute. And they all come sealed, which is good. And we have grapefruit, watermelon, vanilla, and I think like cotton candy around there somewhere. But this is what I made. I made these cute little containers to put them in. And I was totally inspired by this YouTuber. I forgot her name, but I will link her video in the description bar. So if you want a more detailed video, you could definitely go pass by and check it out. She even put like a little plastic, like a, what is that called? That plastic that goes in front, which is cute. I didn't do that. I just did this. Aren't they cute? They make really great little gifts. Look. And they fit perfectly there, so they're not going to be like moving all over the place. Look at this. It's so cute. So I'm going to make a really quick tutorial. Just since you're here, I'll show you how to make it. I'll show you how to do the base. And then you can decorate however you want. They are super easy. Okay, so you're gonna need a piece of paper, cardstock, that measures 2.5 by 12. And you're gonna need one that measures 2.5 by 2.5. That is it. The 2.5 by 2.5, you're gonna score at 1/2 inch and at 2. And you fold. And you want something that's gonna create the hole to fit this piece right here. So I have this flower punch, which is fine. So I just try to eyeball it in the middle. I do that. And to make this a little easier, I just cut like a little slit in each of the little flower petals. So I do that. Again, if you have a circle punch that's gonna fit this, even better. I don't have one that size, so this works for me. Then for the long piece, you're going to score at, let me see, you're going to score at 5 1/4 and 6 3/4. We're going to fold these like that, and that creates your little base. See? I'll put the measurements in the description bar. So now what you want to do is add tape to this section. I'm going to do that and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I added tape to the edges right there. So now what you want to do is take your tape, okay, and this piece right here, you're going to line it up to your score mark like that, okay, and then this piece is going to be lined up to that one. So take your tape out of this one, and what I like to do is fold it and just bring the whole thing over. So when you open it, the box is already made. See? And that is it, guys. You take, oh, obviously I forgot this part. Take a piece of paper to cover your paper right there. I used a little oval die to create the hole. So add your paper, obviously before you attach this. Run it through your machine and it cuts the window. Okay? So let's pretend this one's already cut and it has the window. You take your little, your cream, stick it in the hole, you see? And then staple. And that is it, guys. It is so easy. You don't have to have the window. Like, let's say if this cream didn't have a cute little face and you just want to hide it, this is what you do. So the window is only if you want to show it. You see how cute? And obviously it's just too cute to hide. So you want the windows. But that is it, guys. You staple this piece together and decorate. That's it. So I'm going to list the measurements for the cutouts. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys like it. These make really great gifts. Super, super cute. And I will talk to you guys later.